As we lift away from our blue marble home, watch how familiar landscapes transform into abstract paintings of.
Imagine flying through Saturn's magnificent rings, where billions of ice particles catch the sunlight like diamonds floating in an eternal ballet.
From this impossible vantage point, join us on an impossible journey as we soar past worlds of ice and fire, through rings of.
Float in the silence of space, 250 miles above Earth, where astronauts dance in the void. Circle to the hidden face of our moon, the side that has gazed into deep space for billions of years. Forever.
Navigate through a field of ancient rubble, remnants from the solar system's violent birth 4.6 billion years ago. Descend into the eye of a storm larger than Earth itself, where winds rage at 400 miles per hour.
Approach humanity's outpost in the void, a shining testament to international cooperation, racing around Earth.
Witness the moment our world turns into the light, as the sun's first rays paint the atmosphere in.
The footprints left by Apollo astronauts on the moon will remain undisturbed for millions of years.
The universe conducts its grand symphony in complete silence. Stars explode in supernovae.
On Venus, a single day lasts longer than an entire year. This mysterious.
When you look at the sun, you're seeing it as it was 8 minutes and 20 seconds ago. The light takes that.
Space itself is expanding faster than the speed of light. Galaxies billions of light years deep within Neptune, it rains diamonds.
Olympus Mons on Mars stands 3 times taller than Mount Everest, covering an area the size of France. Our Milky Way, along with thousands of other galaxies, is being pulled towards something, and we can see galaxies whose light has traveled for 13.4 billion years to reach our telescopes.
The universe has no edge, no wall, no end.
If the sun were the size of a beach ball, Earth would be a tiny peppercorn 85 feet away. The universe is expanding faster with each passing moment.
Voyager 1, humanity's most distant creation, has traveled for 4 to 7 years and is only 50.
Space is the closest thing to absolute nothingness.
The universe has no center because every point is the center. Like dots drawn on an In space's vacuum, there is no air pressure.
Unprotected in space vacuum for about 90 seconds before permanent damage occurs. In direct sunlight, an object in space can heat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Space's vacuum offers no protection from deadly radiations.
Mercury, the smallest planet and closest to the Sun, races around our star in just 88 Earth days, while
The vacuum of space is the ultimate laboratory. No gravity to interfere, No air to contaminate.
Venus, Earth's near twin in size, is a hellscape where clouds of sulfuric acid rain down.
Earth, our precious home, is the only known world with liquid water oceans, breathable atmosphere, and abundant life. Mars, the red planet, holds tantalizing evidence of ancient rivers and lakes, suggesting Jupiter, the king of planets, is so massive that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it.
Saturn's magnificent rings span 170,000 miles from edge to edge.
Uranus rolls through space like a bowling ball.
Neptune, the farthest planet from our Sun, holds the solar system's fastest winds, 1,200.
Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy bodies left over from the solar system's formation.
When a massive star over 20 times our Sun's mass exhausts its nuclear fuel,
The event horizon is the ultimate boundary, the point of no return. Cross this spherical surface. At the heart of nearly every galaxy, including our Milky Way, lurks a supermassive black hole.
On April 10, 2019, humanity captured the first ever image of a black hole's shadow. The event horizon.
Scientists estimate 100 million stellar mass black holes exist in our Milky Way galaxy.
Our Milky Way galaxy contains between 200 and 400 billion stars, spiraling in a magnificent disk.
Near a black hole, time slows dramatically, while you orbit just runners. Spiral galaxies like our Milky Way feature sweeping arms of stars, gas, and dust rotating.
Elliptical galaxies are smooth, football-shaped collections of ancient stars with little gas, dust, or active star formation.
Irregular galaxies have no distinct shape. They're chaotic clouds of stars and gas, often distorted.
Lenticular galaxies are transitional forms, disks shaped like spiral galaxies but without spiral arms.
Galaxies collide and merge throughout cosmic history, creating some of the universe's most spectacular.
Our Milky Way belongs to a cosmic neighborhood called the Local Group, 54 galaxies bound by gravity within 10 million light-years.
Blue giants are massive, hot stars burning their fuel furiously. Their glory is brief. They
When stars like our Sun exhaust their core hydrogen after billions of years, they swell into red giants.
White dwarfs are the dense, cooling cores of dead sun-like stars. Travel near light speed and time slows for you relative to stationary observers. At 90%.
Some stars pulsate regularly, brightening and dimming over days or weeks like cosmic.
GPS satellites prove Einstein was right every day. Orbiting at 8,700 miles per hour, their clocks.
Asteroids are rocky remnants from the solar system's formation 4.6 billion years ago. Leftovers that never coalesced into planets.
orbit close to a black hole's event horizon, and time dilation becomes extreme.
S-type stony asteroids are made of silicate minerals and nickel iron, similar to Earth's rock mantle. Their
Asteroids range dramatically in size, from pebbles to dwarf planet Ceres, 590 miles across.
When massive stars explode as supernovae. Reflection nebulae don't emit their own light. They scatter starlight from nearby stars, like cosmic fog illuminated by street lamps.
In September 2022, NASA's DART mission successfully changed an asteroid's orbit by deliberately crashing into it at
Emission nebulae glow with their own light as nearby hot stars energize their gas, causing atoms to emit
The pillars of creation in the E-Moon Moor.
The moon's face tells a violent story, written in craters and maria. Bright highlands.
The moon governs Earth's tides, pulling ocean water toward it in a gravitational embrace, creating two. The moon always shows us the same face, tidally locked by Earth's gravity over billions of years.
lunar soil, called regolith, is a fine gray powder of pulverized rock created by billions of years of meteorite.
Water ice hides in permanently shadowed craters at the moon's poles, where temperatures never rise above -400 degrees Fahrenheit.
The moon was born from violence. 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized protoplanet called Theia.
The moon has an atmosphere so tenuous, it's called an exosphere, 100 trillion times less dense.
The moon experiences moonquakes, both shallow quakes caused by thermal expansion as the surface heats and cools.
Though the moon has no global magnetic field today, scattered regions show surprisingly strong magnetization.
The moon is essential for life on Earth. The moon is Earth's faithful companion, closer than any major satellite to its planet in the solar system.
The moon's craters are a time capsule of our solar system's violent past, with no atmosphere to erode them.
The moon awaits humanity's return. NASA's Artemis program plans to establish permanent bases.
During a lunar eclipse, the moon passes through Earth's shadow, turning a deep copper-red color during totality.
The moon's resources will fuel humanity's expansion into space. Oxygen extracted from regolith can be combined with hydrogen.
From the first human footprints in 1916 to permanent settlements in the coming decades, the moon represents humanity's first step